Asus Expertbook P1. The compact and elegant Asus Expertbook P1 breathtaking new design and features exceptional efficiency to supercharge your productivity, empowered by the all-new Asus AI ExpertMe tool. Processor: Intel Core i7-13620H processor 2.4 GHz. Graphics: Intel UHD graphics, Intel Iris X graphics, available for Intel Core i5, i7, i9 with dual-channel memory. Memory 16 GB DDR5. Storage 1 TB M.22280 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD. The Asus Expertbook P1 has a simple, functional design that is intended for business use. Its case is made of high-quality plastic with a matte surface that reduces fingerprint marks. Despite the lightweight material, the laptop has a solid finish and good stability. The hinge allows a generous opening angle of up to 180 degrees. Power supply Type C, 65-watt AC adapter. Expertbook P1 is equipped with a comprehensive lineup of ports to support all your connection needs. Headlining the connectivity flexibility are two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C ports that offer full functionality, with support for both USB power delivery and DisplayPort. Additionally, there are two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, so you can easily attach existing or legacy USB devices. Display: 15.6-inch, 250 nits, FHD, 1920 by 1080, 16:9. TN, LED backlit, anti-glare display. NTSC, 45%, non-touch screen. 720p HD camera with privacy shutter. The Asus Expertbook P1 is equipped with a comfortable keyboard with good key travel and a precise pressure point, ideal for longer typing sessions. Its layout is clearly arranged, including a separate numeric keypad for productive work. The video conference shortcut keys make managing online meetings a fast, fingertip affair. Fingerprint sensor integrated with touchpad. Battery: 50 West 3-cell Li-ion. Audio: built-in array microphone. Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax dual band. Stay cool under pressure. Asus Expertbook P1 also features an enhanced cooling system that ensures consistent, optimal performance whether the lid is open or closed, guaranteeing peak efficiency even during extended use. Moreover, with this ExpertCool design, the heat is directed to the rear of the device, preventing hot air from affecting your hand when using a mouse.